Hey little kids, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video for you, and today I will learn you how to draw beautiful Indian tricolor lollipop. Here I'm drawing the lollipop. Let's follow my every steps and try to draw with me. I know kids, you will love to draw tricolor lollipop. Let's try it. Wow, the lollipops are looking so beautiful. You should also try to draw it. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new video very soon. Till then, bye bye little champs.
Wow!